Hello friends, Namaste. Welcome to Think VGF. You have tuned into one of the best videos of VGF. In this video, we are going to demonstrate how VGF money flows from your account to others and how money flows from other accounts to you. The complete details we will share in this video. But if you have not seen my previous video, I would request you to go and watch it as well. So let's get started. The membership amount for this VGF is 1770 rupees only. The best part of it is you do not have to pay monthly or yearly or half yearly. It's just one time investment and that's it. And this amount is divided into 5 different parts, out of which GST is 270. I believe you can able to understand. I don't need to explain about it. Next, go to the referral income, which is 100 rupees. When you join under a person, your 100 rupees out of 1770 will go to that person. Similarly, when you make downlines under you, suppose A is your first downline who has to pay 100 rupees, B 100 rupees. If you make third member under you, he or she has to pay 100 rupees. Similarly, how many members you will make directly under you? Each one has to give 100 rupees. In conclusion, if you pay only 100 rupees, you may get 300, 400, 500 rupees maybe according to how many members you are making directly under you. But company is recommending to make minimum 2 members under you. Next is affiliate income, which is also called as level income, which is 200 rupees. 200 rupees out of your 1770 rupees will go to your up to your 36th upline level. How it will go means your 200 rupees will be divided into multiple parts. Level 1 people to level 1 to 2 will get 20, level 3 to 7 will get 10 rupees, and it keeps on going up to your 36th upline level. Let's see one illustration. Suppose you joined and your upline will get 100 rupees from you. Your upline's upline, consider level 1 will get 20 rupees out of the 200 rupees. Then next level 2 will get 20 rupees out of the 200 rupees. Level 3 will get 10 rupees out of the 200 rupees. It keeps on going up to level 36 where the person will get 2 rupees. But how you will earn money from your future generation people, we will see it in this illustration. Consider A and B are your downlines and they make 2 people in level 1. They will pay you 20 rupees each. Consider this level 1 people make 2 members each and they will give 20 rupees because they are your level 2. Now consider this level 2 people will make level 3 each. 2 people each, and each people will give 10 rupees because they are your level 3. So you might be asking the question, what I will do with this 2 rupee, 5 rupees, 10 rupees or 20 rupees, what it will benefit me? Sometimes simple things are very powerful things. I will prove you how. Here in this picture we can see under you there are 4 people in level 1, 8 people in level 2, and it keeps on multiplying to 2. Let's see in the form of Excel sheet. In level 1 when you have 4 people, each people will give 20 rupees and your income will be 80. In level 2, 8 members are under you, each people will give 20 rupees and your income is 160 rupees. And it keeps on going, keeps on multiplying. In this example, I took only 2 people under you. Think about if you have 3 people under you or your downline have 3 people under them, how much more money you can able to earn. If your network will grow till 10th generation, you will get 23,120 rupees simply by adding just 2 people under your downline or under your downline's downline. You can earn 26 lakhs 21,440 rupees from your 18th generation. But if you keep on adding from generation 1 to generation 18, you can achieve 52 lakhs 45,520 rupees. Just simple 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees and 20 rupees, but yet so much earning you can do. Company will give you up to your 36th generation people, future generation people. So in conclusion, you have only paid 200 rupees, but yet you can able to earn in crores just from this affiliate income. Now come to the third part of the income, which is called club income. The moment when you paid 1770 rupees, you have to join club A. There are multiple clubs like club A to club F. When you pay 700 rupees, you can able to join club A. Company will multiply this 700 rupees by 2, which is 1400 rupees, and give it to you. Out of this 1400 rupees, 900 rupees you have to use to upgrade yourself to the next club, which is club B, and 500 rupees is your own profit, which is withdrawable. When you are in the club B, this 900 rupees will be multiplied by 4 and you will get 3600 rupees or 3600 rupees. Now out of this 3600 rupees, you have to use the 2000 rupees to go to your next club, which is club C, and the rest 1600 rupees is your own profit. And this club structure will go on up to club F, where you can able to earn 12.8 crore rupees. It's so simple. You have to pay 700 rupees, but you have the capacity or you have the opportunity to earn 12.8 CR. Is it so simple? May not be. Let's see how company will give you money. Because I said it is a crowdfunding business, company will rotate your money from one person to another person. When I said you will get 1400 rupees, how you will get, we'll see. Consider you took the membership and paid 700 rupees to join club A. Now Alex also joined under you, and Alex also wants to join in club A by paying 700 rupees. Bob is your another downline who wants to pay 700 rupees to join club A. Now what company will do? Company will not pay 1400 rupees from its own pocket. Rather, company will take 700 from Alex and 700 from Bob and give it to you, which is 1400 rupees. Now you have 1400 rupees with you. The same structure, if we keep on going and go little deeper, let's see what happens. Now because you are already in club A and you already have 1400 rupees with you, you want to join club B. To join club B, you have to pay 900 rupees. And 500 rupees is your own earning. Alex and Bob make 2 members under them, A1, A2, B1, B2. Now these new members also wants to join club A by paying 700 and 700 rupees. So Alex will have 1400 rupees and Bob will also have 1400 rupees right now. When Alex will have 1400 rupees, he also wants to go to club B by paying 900 rupees. Bob also wants to pay 900 rupees to go to club B. Now company will take this 900 plus 900, 1800 and give it to you. Similarly, company will try to find out someone else 900 and 900 and give it to you. So what company promised? Company promised you 3600, and slowly but surely you can able to get that 3600 rupees. There is a special note. Sometimes it doesn't matter from where company will bring money and give it to you, because it is not always from your downline company will bring money and give it to you. From others downline also, if other people have extra downline, from them also company will bring money and give it to you. In conclusion, you can see you just paid 700 rupees, yet you have the capacity to earn 12.8 CR rupees. Isn't it good? So, the next one is so good. This is called Company Millionaire Club. When you join this membership, you have to pay 500 rupees, not extra, from the same 1770 rupees. And this 500 rupees will go to a fund called CMC fund. Similarly, if I join in this month or the month of May 2020, or your friends join in the month of May 2020, all the 500 rupees will go to CMC fund. For example, 10,000 people across the world join in this membership and each one gave 500 rupees. So what is the CMC fund rupees now? Of course, 10,000 people into 500 rupees equal to 50 lakhs rupees. Now, in the end of the month, company will distribute this money to the achievers. Suppose there are 50 achievers, company will divide this 50 lakhs rupees to 50 people. So each people will get 1 lakh rupees. But we will see in depth whether company will give the full amount or not, who are the achievers, and to achieve the target, what are the things you need to do. You need to have 200 new members in any month to achieve CMC. Don't think a lot when I said 200 new members. Wait, I will explain you. It's so easy, so simple. Consider you are the member of, you joined in the month of May and you made 9 members under you. Is that mean 9 direct members under you? No. You have 3 members and each people made 3 members. So total 9 members under you. The leaf note, the last 9 members under you in the month of May. These 9 members, some people did 2, some people did 3 members under them. Maybe multiplied to 22 members in the month of June. The same thing happened. Some people did 2, some people multiplied to 2 and some multiplied to 3 in the month of July. Consider on an average 50 people. Consider these 50 members multiplied to 120 members on an average in the month of August. Did you qualify CMC? Not yet, because there are no 200 new members in your network till now. But consider these 120 members multiplied to 260 members in the month of September. Listen to it carefully. In the month of September, you qualified CMC. Now, when company says 200 members, if you have 100 members in your left leg, 100 members in your right leg, like this example in the picture, you can able to achieve. Consider you have 200 members in A and 0 member in B, you cannot achieve. That means company is telling you should have minimum 100 members in one leg and rest all the members together can be 100 members as shown in the picture. Now question is whether company will pay you the entire money or company will take some amount. Till now company has not taken a single penny from you, but here in this case company will take 25% of that money for different purposes. For what purpose? Company's software maintenance, management, seminars, leadership income, and there are certain targets. If a person will achieve, company will send them to tours to different countries or world tour club. For that club, company will save the money from this 25%. Now 75% is your own money, which is taxable. But the beautiful part of this CMC is once you achieve CMC, it will be easier for you to achieve CMC in the following month onwards. How? I will show you one demonstration. Let's say you have 100 members in your left leg and 100 members in your right leg in the month of November. Consider in your left leg, each member made two members under them. So 100 will multiply to 2 and it is 200 in your left leg. Consider from your right leg, some people made 1, some member made 2, some member made 3 members under them for the month of December. On an average 150 people. What is the total calculation for you for the month of December? It's 350 people. Of course you get CMC for the month of December as well. Now, in the month of January 2021, consider from your left leg, each people making a single downline. Definitely you will have 200 new members under you. Consider in your right leg, on an average, 150 members are multiplying to 200 members for the month of January 2020. Total 400 members. Definitely you can able to achieve CMC for the month of January 2021 as well. That specifies it takes time to achieve CMC. Yet once you achieve, it will be so easy for you to achieve monthly basis. Now you might be asking question, if company is taking 25%, how much money I will get? When company is telling 200 new members, that means 200 new members into 500 rupees each equal to 1 lakh rupees you are giving a business to company. Out of that, if you remove 25%, that is 25,000 rupees, yet there are 75,000 rupees left over. Consider tax or something went, yet you will have minimum of 65,000 rupees. Next earning is called binary or clapping or matching income. There are certain rules here, like you should have third leg activated to receive these benefits or receive this income, and each day is divided into 3 different parts. Each slot is having 8 hours. Each pair will earn 200 rupees. I know it must seem boring. Let me go directly to the illustration. The rule is one member of your A and one member of B makes a pair. For each pair, you will get 200 rupees. That means when A1 pairs with B1, you will get 200 rupees. Wow, so beautiful. But no, in this case, you cannot get 200 rupees. Why? Because the rule is you should have third leg activated with you, that is leg C. Then only you can able to receive this amount. Now consider A2 and B2 join. So A2 plus B2 will be a pair and you will get 200 rupees. Now A3 and C1 joined, you will get 200 rupees. Consider C2 joined, but there is no one to pair with. So C2 has to wait for a member from A or from B to pair with. Now let's see about timings. Consider your second generation people multiplied and made all total 7 members in one day, in between 5 to 6 o'clock in the evening. But the time slot here is slot 2. In each slot, company will give maximum of 500 rupees. What I said, for each pair you will get 200 rupees. When I said 7 members join, 3 pairs are already made. But will you get 3 into 200 rupees, 600 rupees? No, company is telling if more than 2 pairs are made in one slot, company will give maximum of 500 rupees. Consider in slot 3, 2 pairs join, you will get 400 rupees. So if each slot maximum 500 rupees, 1500 rupees per day, or maximum 45,000 rupees per month, you have the capacity to earn. How? Just by adding members, and when they pair up, you will earn money. Till how long you can earn? There is no limitation here. The best thing is it will keep on going up to unlimited depth. That means if your 100 generation people are also making pairs, or 200 generations people are making pair up, you will enjoy the money. Consider, even though you are not getting 45,000 rupees, how about 20,000, 25,000, 30,000 per month? Well and good. Just by paying 1770 rupees and just by making 3 members under you, keep on multiplying your network. So here is the summary. Pay 100 rupees, get 100 into number of directs. Pay 200 rupees, have the capacity to earn lakhs and crores of rupees. Pay 700 rupees, have the capacity to earn 12.8 crore rupees. Pay just 500 rupees and you may get the opportunity to earn 65,000 rupees when you achieve the CMC target. And just by multiplying the network, you have the capacity to earn 45,000 rupees monthly. Hope you understood the concept. If so, please write in the comment box. There is one important notice. 1st June 2020 onwards, the price is going to increase. And in my next video, I'm going to share and discuss about certain queries and challenges generally people face and ask me. If you want to reach out to me or want to join in my network or have any queries, please write to me at thinkvgf@gmail.com. I hope you will like, comment and share these videos to people who need this video, and you will subscribe and hit the bell icon so you will get the notification for further